Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make and set up your own FiveM cubicle server. So the first thing you want to do is go to this link, which will be put in the description, and you want to download the latest server build. So once that is done, open that up in WinRAR. Now what I like to do is create them onto my desktop. So if you just create a new folder, name it whatever you want, and leave it on your desktop. Then what you want to do is open up the folder you just created and add a new folder inside of it called server. Then we open up this folder and we select one of these and do Control A, and then just drag and drop into the server folder you created. So now you can close out of WinRAR and open up your new server folder. So what you want to do is you then want to scroll down until you find FivemServer.exe, and then you want to open that up. If this pops up, just press more info and run anyway. So after a second, this will load and it will come up with all the setup. So just press allow and it will open up txadmin. So now what you want to do is press link account. And if you're not signed in, sign in already, but if you are signed in, press continue. And then what you'll need to do is you can add your Discord ID if you want to. I'm not going to do that, but create a backup password. This could be any password, it doesn't really matter. And then select that box and press register. So now, where it says server name, just change this to whatever you want. So I'm just going to put YouTube server, but this will be your server's name. After you've done that, press next. And then deployment type, you're going to press popular recipes and then select cubicle framework. So then this will pop up. I would recommend just using the default location, as it will be in the folder that you've already created for your server. So you press save and then go to your recipe deployer. And then here what you want to do is you want to press next. And now you're going to need a server registration key. So if you press on this button here, it will take you to all the servers you created. So what you're going to want to do is press generate key. And this will be the name of the server. So just put that in there and then generate. And then what you do is if you press the copy registration key and then paste it into there. So once you've done that, you then press run recipe and all of this will be done for you. Alright, and then once that is finished, press next, and then this is your server CFG. So you can edit the following, you can edit the project name. So just get rid of that and just call it whatever the name is, and the description, and the rest of this you don't need to do at the moment, but you can change the logo, all of that. And then once you've edited what you want to do, press save and run server, and this should run like normal. And once you have done that, this window here should pop up with everything that is run on your server. So just a quick little overview of the folders that have been added. So if you go back to your server files, you can see there's now a tx data. So to access your resources, what you need to do is go to the server files, go to tx data, cubicle framework, resources. So these are the default resources that are in cubicle. So you can see all of these here. Then you've got the maps, you've got all of this stuff. So if you want to add to it, you add it in here. And then if you want to go to your server CFG and go back to the cubicle framework, and you can open up the server CFG here. So again, you can change the server name, the logo, all of that. And if you want to add yourself as admin or give yourself permissions, you can do that down here. As you set up the server, your identifiers will already be in here. But if you want to add anyone to this, all you need to do is take that line, copy it, and just change to their FiveM ID, and then obviously you change that to the person that you've done. So once you've done that, if you want to file and save. So before you start your server up, what you'll see here is if I try and start the server at the moment, if I try and join the server, you will get an error saying it could not connect to the database. So to connect your server to the database, what you want to do is you want to shut down the server, and then you want to go to the second link in the description and download XAMPP. So download the 64-bit for Windows, and that will download automatically. If it doesn't, then you can click there, but you see it's downloaded there. So once that's open, you will see 5 options that you can do. So at the moment, all you'll need to do is, before you start your server, you would need to go on Apache and MySQL and press start on both of them. And once you have done that, you can go back to your server files, go to server, go to FivemServer and run that. So then when you open up FiveM, you'll see a new button has appeared in the menu, which is connect to your PC name on LAN. So if you click on that, it will connect you to your server. So this is the default cubicle loading screen, which can be changed at any time. So then once you're loaded in, you can see that this is the default character creation. So you can create characters. And then once you've created a character, you can choose which apartment you want to spawn in. So it doesn't matter which one you do at the moment. So then when you're in the game, you can see the customizations. You can customize the player, their hair, clothing and accessories. So once you've done that, just save outfit, and then you are in your apartment here. So if you wanted to leave the apartment, you would go up to the door and leave apartment. So there you go, guys. That is how you set up a basic cubicle server. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, turn on the notification bell so you can get updates on when a new video is dropped, and make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all later. Have a good day. Goodbye.